Hello, Burlington Public Schools. This is Michelle Artizzoni, Digital Learning Coach, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about the iPad feature of dictation, speech to text, which can be a great help for students wanting to speak their sentences rather than type them. To turn on dictation, find the Settings app on your iPad and give it a tap. Then locate General on the left-hand side and then tap Keyboard on the right-hand side. More than halfway down, you'll find the dictation menu. Please ensure Enable Dictation is turned on. You can also turn on auto punctuation below it. Now, in any application that allows typing for a student, they will see the microphone button right here next to the space bar. They tap on it, it will turn dark gray, signaling that the microphone is ready and listening to record. Then up here in the document area, there will be a blinking cursor ready to listen for the speech to turn it into a typed sentence. Let's watch an example live. The next month will be September, period. And that's it. Thanks for watching and learning more about dictation and speech to text.